We'll guide you through how to make saddles in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. In order to go and do things like riding horses, you need to have saddles. So to go and get started, you can actually go and find saddles. You could find them in treasure chests, and you're going to find these in things like desert temples, other temples in dungeons, amongst other places like that. You could also try trading with a villager, and you may be able to go and trade for a saddle. You can also find them by fishing as well. They're some of the main ways. However, if you want to be able to go and make and craft one, then what we're going to need is a data pack. So what you can do is come out of Minecraft and find your world tier, head into the link in the description and we brought here. And what we can do is go and press versions at the top and we can go and get the most up-to-date data pack. Press download and it's now downloaded. Then what you can do is you can go and find the world, select it, press edit and press open world folder, come into a crafting table and you can then go and grab 5 pieces of leather and put them at the top and either side like so. And then you can put tripwire hooks at the bottom and you're going to be able to go make a saddle. We can use it.